little swipe with leftover colors. I don't even remember what they are. But I thought I'd have a little fun. This is an 18-incher square. I'm using Sherwin-Williams Color to Go in white for the base. And let's get pouring. So for my gold, I did my regular deco art with a bit of Arteza 2 paint, but then I found this stuff, which I was excited about, called Robertson Liquid Metal, and I added it, and the pigments don't really react well, but I don't want to waste it, so I'm not going to use too much of it, but I'll just put some down the middle. Now, when you're doing your swipes, you want to make sure that you have enough paint, well, depending what look you like, actually. I don't like when there's just a bit of cells and then lines with no cells. I want to get as much coverage as possible. Oh, I found a little bloop here. So you want to get really good coverage. So I'm going to do my best to do that. So there's that color. I am going to add some of this, which is a color art pigment, and then I added Matisse Australian Red Violet to it, which I really like. So I'll go a little bit beside, and then I'll go a little bit beside here. You know, we're just gonna lay it down and see what happens. Next, I have Deco Art Copper with a bit of Arteza Pearl Marmalade. Let's throw her down. Ooh. All right. And then let's add this. I wonder what this is. Is this even shiny? I'm just seeing if I have a sparkle in there. I don't know what this is. But we'll put it down. It looks like some sort of Matisse, because I got a bunch of new Matisse paints. So it looks like a Matisse greenish. It's not turquoise, it's something. Then why don't we do this? Oh, this might be too thick. This is Color Art Payne's Gray with a little Amsterdam Permanent Blue. I'll just do a bit because it's pretty old, so it's like kind of like glue right now. But a little bit, maybe it will sink in. All right, and then I have Arctic Opal Color Art, and I added Sky Blue Amsterdam. Also very thick, but we're just playing around, so it doesn't really matter. And then I have this, I believe this is Boysenberry Color Art with Permanent Violet Amsterdam. It's pretty, it packs a punch, so I'm only gonna do like really a little bit. I'm not a big purple fan, I know a lot of people are. And then I'll top it off with some of this, I believe this is Snapdragon Color Art with light violet. Okay, so we got a pretty good line going. It should cover the space well. My cell activators, I have white and I have Payne's Gray. I think I'll start with the Payne's Gray. If you want to know what the cell activator is, if I were you, I would join the Shelly Art class. I have 15% off in my description, and it comes with a really amazing Facebook group that's with a lot of helpful people, myself included. So I would do that. So I'm going to put some Payne's Gray on my painter's tool, what is this called? I don't know. This thing. And we'll start swiping. We'll see how it looks. See, these kind of lines I don't love, but the middle is making some nice, cool cells, so you can see. So I'm wiping my tool of all the paint. And then, yeah, those cells are cute actually. So let's keep going. The bigger the piece, the longer it takes. I guess I could use my big swiper. Maybe for the other side, I'll do my big swipe to see. All right. And I'm just swiping very lightly. Okay. So, why don't I grab my bigger, where's my bigger guy? Oh, he's right here. And he's very dirty. Hold on, let me wipe. I don't know why it's a he. Oops. So I'm up in my new loft. I'm really liking it. I still have a lot of work to do, especially because I have large pieces. I don't know if I can even clean this off. All right, let's see. The cells are pretty cute, if I do say so myself. Let's see. Okay, covered my big guy. Let's see how she goes on the other side. Okay, not too shabby. Cute cells. I'll have to fix the middle, but that's okay. Actually, that side, I had bigger cells come up, so perhaps I'll continue with this thing. So as I was moving upstairs here, because I've been kind of hoarding my Sherwin-Williams paint, because I'm about 45 minutes away from Sherwin-Williams, and my friend in Toronto has been getting them for me, and I didn't realize how many I had till I unpacked the boxes. So I look like an extreme hoarder, but oops, whoa, that was not help. That's not a good swipe at all. Weird, but we'll work on that. So I'm ready for the apocalypse now. I probably have 100 little canisters. Oh, the reason I was hoarding it is because they were having a problem in their, oh, thanks, babe. Distribution center. He's downstairs, but still involved and always helpful. All right. The middle cells are pretty cute. Okay, I'll fix this somehow. Let's go back to the small guy. Let's give it a little bit of dimension. Ew. I really need new tools. All right, so going, adding the paint. Thanks for sticking with me. All right. And my family is working so hard at being quiet while I do my videos, which is so sweet because it's hard for Mo. Okay. Then for this one, why don't I do a little roundabout? Then I'll fix the middle in some places. Why don't I try to fix this now? It's gonna bother me. I wanted Mo to come and help me do the video, but he's too busy playing. Probably playing policeman because that's his jam right now. I really like that Payne's gray. It's looking really nice. The color art. So a lot of Payne's grays are actually, they add blue to it. So golden, in the color art, for instance, look like a navy blue, whereas the Amsterdam Payne's gray is actually more of a black, just so you know. Okay. Hi, babe.
Hello.
How are you? Ooh, I think I did something ugly.
I like the colors.
Yeah, they're kind of popping out, eh?
Yeah.
We'll see. I'm just using old colors. I'll have to fix a few areas so far, but what do you think?
And what are we leaving it like that, or we spin?
No, we're tilting.
Tilt.
Tilt?
Tilt, spins, blows.
That you got it, babe.
Yeah.
You're an expert now.
Yeah.
You have to do one. You'd be good at it. Although you probably blow way too hard.
Yeah, I do my different art.
That's true. You are quite artistic.
You should give a plug for me. Want to give a plug for me?
Sure. Tell everyone what you do.
I run an Instagram and Facebook page called We the Kicks.
What's that about?
So it's W-E space T-H-E
Not space, underscore.
Underscore, yeah. Don't be mistaken. I have about 16,000 followers on Insta and about 30 on Facebook.
What's it about?
So it's a community for sneaker lovers. Yeah, so I've been building it for a year and a half. I have a sneaker collection.
Huge sneaker collection.
And I also do one-of-a-kind customs. So
yes.
A piece I just did. I have a few of them I'm very proud of. There's the Mo Money 4s. You can check them out on my site. The last actual post I have is
so there's We the Kicks on Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, and the last post is my latest custom, which is Do the Right Thing 4s. So if you like the Spike Lee movie,
I'm gonna assume that these ladies.
I just want them to go check it out to see what I'm talking about.
I'm not being sexist, but perhaps their sons or husbands are
might want to
sneakerheads.
check it out.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's the type of art that I do.
And it's really cool.
Yeah. So
check them out.
Check me out, and you guys keep doing your art because any art is awesome. I also paint a little, but Lisa takes the cake when it comes to painting.
Well,
come on. This is amazing, and your portrait work is also amazing. That you
I haven't done portraits in a long time, but I used to be quite the portrait artist, but not like traditional portraits, but pretty cool.
Oh, she would take.
Why don't you show them the biggie one?
You want to see the biggie one? Well, I have to unwrap it.
Oh.
But how? You can just take a sneak peek.
Yeah, sneak peek of biggie.
So this is bought by someone going into a hair salon?
Yeah.
All right. So this is, I want to show people her artwork because it is, how do I do this without ruining your...
Well, you can turn the camera around. I'm just going to do one final swipe here.
Okay, you tell me. How about you turn the camera around?
Okay.
And you'll just show the art. Or I can put it against you, I guess. Oop, that's better. Anyways, I didn't mean to disturb your video.
Well, you can turn it around. Well,
yeah?
Yeah, try.
Well, I can't really see.
Oh.
Right, you tell me.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Turn.
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 Okay, yeah, there you go. There's Biggie.
There's Biggie.
Hi. Okay.
So that's a print of a painting that she did.
Yeah, it's a print.
And she did a great David Bowie.
Yeah, David Bowie.
Also loves to do Bob Marley, and she has
yes.
a couple of great Bob Marleys. So yeah.
Thanks.
Ultra talented. Everyone keep doing art. Because you know what? In these times, it's what makes me happy.
It's true. We definitely need art during these crazy times. So the last thing I'm going to do, is just fix the middle a little bit. I took some cardboard, made a little lip. I'm going to try with a little white to see what happens.
I'm excited to see your tilting of it.
I know. That's why
Because you have a cool piece. I want to see
Well, I hope I don't ruin it.
Listen, there's enough color in there that you always want to trust your gut. That's what I say.
That didn't really do much. But at least I didn't get cells, but at least I did something there. All right, so we're gonna go. So you have to look at what you want to keep. Oh, you know what? I don't like this. Let me do one more swipe. I don't like leaving weird lines. I'm gonna go zoop like that. Maybe I'll make it in half. I'm gonna go back to
paper, you're folding it, and
Yes.
you're just using the edge.
Just using the edge like a little lip.
And you suggest like a cardboard, something a little harder, right?
Yeah, you need, well,
Not too hard?
Not too hard, but not too soft.
So like a packaging cardboard,
Yeah.
but not like a cardboard box.
Right.
A thin. So what did you do there? You took your mixture and you just added in a spot? So that's something I've never seen you do before.
Yes, you have.
Go back in with more?
Yeah.
I don't know. I
But
would
I
think
just-
you should go with your tilting.
Yes, I'm gonna go tilt now. So, let's see. Because I don't want to tilt it all crazy and warp the cells. I want pretty
So what's your
uniform
address?
cells.
Sorry, before you even do it.
Yeah.
You want that middle, obviously there's a middle line there, right?
Yeah,
The
it's
middle-
going to like warp. I want to get this off. Not a fan. But first,
So you want to keep that middle, kinda.
well, I don't want the straight line though, so it's going to kind of organically shift. But you'll see. Oh, it's stuck on my thing. What I'm going to do, and keep in mind that squares are harder than circles. Okay, I'm gonna just keep going until I see what I don't like. Gone. Okay.
That looks like so much fun.
Now, I'm gonna put it back in the middle, and before I go to the other side, or no, let me,
I think you got to bring it all the way and then do your bit.
see this edge isn't really moving, so I'm just going to, and the edges don't want to move so much, so we're just gonna go for it. Okay. Low battery, got it. Okay, let's get this edge off. How's it looking? I can't
It's
really
going, it's going. Yeah, give it a little, there it goes.
Okay. And then we're gonna get this white off.
I would bring it down.
No, yeah, I'm going down this way,
Yeah, because there's so many cool colors that are, yeah. That's the move. That's the move, babe. Look at that. I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring it back.
Well, I don't know if you want to bring it back.
Not all the way, just a little bit. And I'll look at it. And then, I'm not in love with it, but I'm gonna give
I think
it
you gotta let that line go down a little more.
this off center, you
Just
mean?
take some of that white out at the on that bottom corner.
Well, I'm
That's
gonna
all.
take white on both, so I'm gonna spin it now. Because I don't
okay.
like
There
this.
you go. But it's beautiful in the middle, man. Come on.
Is
that's
it?
Yeah.
But it's all warped and stuff. Okay, here we go, spin.
See, again, I don't know what I'm looking for.
No, well, no, like,
Let's see what happens. This part makes me dizzy.
okay. Yeah, there's, yeah. I don't like this part here.
See,
but-
I do.
and some people don't mind it, to be honest.
I would leave it.
Yeah?
I would leave it.
Can't I
I,
spin it a little?
you do what you want.
No,
I
no,
think I think the colors are extremely good. And what I also like about it too is the sides follow.
Yeah.
The sides follow. I think you need that. I think you almost need to like just fix that with your thumb.
Yeah.
Because it's like almost like a 3D piece from where I'm from.
So those lines don't bother you there? And the middle isn't, the cells aren't like great in the middle.
I think it's a very colorful
There's some
piece.
cool-
There's some very good colors in there.
Yes, but
And
I'm,
there is good cells. I don't like, this is all cool. That's
Yeah, that's
all
cool.
If you look like,
yeah. I'll spin it
it's
one
a
more
piece
time.
that you want to look at for a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
Watch out. All right, let's see.
Let's see.
Ooh. It's a
Yeah,
little
I would
better.
stop.
Yeah,
I would stop
yeah,
right
yeah.
there.
And I think this is
I like that.
the
And
bottom.
you know I'm completely honest with you.
Yeah.
You know
are.
there's some pieces you like, and then I come up here and I'm like, you've done better.
Yeah.
But this I really like.
And I would look at it from where the camera is, like that's the bottom.
Yeah. I think you could do it anyway, to be honest, but whatever floats your boat, like I like
Yeah,
to say.
yeah, that's true. All right.
And I would leave it, because look at on the sides, like that
Yeah.
could be put up on a wall, and it's very like pleasing to the eye.
It is. Thank you for joining, guys. I'm gonna just do a close